Hello, my name is Chris Posey. We are here in the Bellwood area to appraise this single-family home. Let's go check it out. In summary, we provide a valuation service on residential as well as commercial. So for example, homeowners looking to buy or sell their home or looking to refinance, the question needs to be answered as to what is the market value of the property in its current as-is condition based upon the subject's market where it's located. I'm going to look at potential comparables similar to that property in regards to condition, room count, a variety of factors.
Now is a great time to get into the appraisal profession, especially for people who love technology.
Some of the various methods available to measure are the wheel, a laser disc measurer. In addition to that, some software providers provide a tool to be able to measure a property simply by using your iPad or your iPhone.
There are specific traits that tend to make a great appraiser.
You have to be analytical,
Ethical,
have great time management.
you have to be resourceful, you have to be a people person because you have to interact with people, real estate agents, homeowners.
Many appraisers enjoy the flexibility of setting their own schedules and hours, being able to work out in the field or in the office, and being able to see new and interesting properties.
The ability to create my own schedule, work around things that happen in my life. Having more of that work-life balance is very important, and that's one of the reasons I really love being in the appraisal industry.
My background is youth development work. A lot of appraisers are amazing people and they're very easy to talk to and they're willing to give you information, knowledge, guidance.
I think the best part about being a trainee is just the opportunity that the appraisal industry holds. Being a trainee itself is so different from anything I've ever done before. I think we need people who are passionate and energetic and willing to learn and to grow. And so I love the fact that I'm a part of that and ushering in a new generation of appraisers.
There is currently a real lack of diversity in this field, and we're looking to see that change.
So when I started in the appraisal business in 1977, it was almost exclusively white male. It's important to train new and diverse appraisers because it helps us have different points of view from different walks of life.
The real estate appraisal profession is an important part of the home buying process. And with the national statistics showing that this is not a diverse industry, we wanted to do our part to bring diversity into the appraisal profession. The How-To series is a campaign to help create opportunities for people in this state that may not know that these professions exist. We want to go to all four corners of the state and let people know about these industries.
A career as an appraiser is such a great opportunity, and IDFPR is ready to welcome the next generation of appraisers.
You have to believe that you can do it and that nothing is going to stop you. Have that self-confidence where you can do that, then this is the place for you to be. Come on in. We're waiting for you.